Federal Council, as regards to the Federal Capital Territory, ratified the approval of the design and construction of residences of heads of courts, that is the President of the Court of Appeal, the President of Industrial Court, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, and the Chief Judge of the Federal Capital Territory Court. Of course, you know that this has been flagged up and construction is ongoing for the residencies of the heads of court. Again, the Federal Council approved the provision of water to the satellite towns of Karu, Karishiria, Orozo, and Buhari. Last time, Mr. President inaugurated the provision of water of the greater Abuja water supply and made promise that this will be extended to the satellite towns. You also know that we have flagged up that project. By the grace of God, we believe by May next year, that would have been inaugurated too. Thirdly was the ratification for the rehabilitation job we did for the Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center. You are aware that that project was awarded under emergency when Mr. President went to inaugurate the last ECOWAS Parliament and directed that International Conference Center should be given the international standard it requires. To the glory of God, Mr. President has also inaugurated that rehabilitation. But the most important today is the approval for the contract of engineering infrastructure in Maitama 2. This contract was awarded sometimes about 3 or 4 years ago, no, 5 years ago, but did not take off. And so when Mr. President came, that Federal Council terminated that contract. And so many people have been arguing for that to be done. Maitama 2, of course, will be a new district that covers not less than 786 hectares of land. And most people who have been allocated that land before this administration, but no provision of infrastructure. So the Federal Council today approved that contract, and by the grace of God, this is one very ambitious project that the FCT is backing up on. We believe, by the grace of God, we are going to give it all it requires to see that that district is opened. Thank you very much.